Worth ko $116 na ako, guys. So, right now, I'm at $148. $313. Okay, guys, it's going up. It's going up now. Ready lang kayo mag-set ng break even. Kasi hindi siya nakahugot dito sa baba. So, i-scalp lang natin to, ha? Because wala pa tayo ng liquidity sa baba, guys. So, kukurot lang tayo, kukurot lang. 20 pips, guys. We hit 20 pips. $22 si Ma'am Buena. Grabe naman mga to. Grabe magsipindot to mga to. Okay, guys, we hit 40 pips sa ating live trading. So, move nyo na yung SL ninyo to break even. Okay, so right now, I'm running at $61. Okay, it's still going up, guys. Still going up. Boom! Yun, boom! Okay, umangat pa siya, guys. Umangat pa. Boom! Eh! 55 pips, guys. Let's go! Okay, guys, sa Zoom tsaka dito. Sa ating ano. Okay. Woo!
Grabe!
Okay, let's go! 70 pips. So right now, I'm at $148. $18. And bro, $18, $20.
Grabe!
$12, $20, $12. Guys, full TP na, guys. So we hit, grabe no, we hit 95 pips, guys. 95. 105 pips, guys. Ito, guys, ito yung ano natin, $500 na deposit. So ngayon, $2,000 na siya. So, scalp lang tayo, guys, ha? Scalp na mabilis. So, 5031 buy. In and out lang tayo dito, guys, ha? Kasi we are in the middle of the zone. Ayan, second trade natin. Ano lang, dahan-dahan lang, guys, ha? Dahan-dahan lang sa lot size. $40, guys. Ay, sorry, $40. 40 pips. 50 pips right now, guys. 50 pips. Murot ko $116 na ako, guys. BE. I sent your SL to BE. We just hit 70 pips, guys. Let's go. And guys, we are at full TP. Grabe, kurot yan. 95 pips, guys. 95 pips. Okay, wala mo na magsisell, ha? Wala mo na magsisell. Wala pa akong sinasabi magsisell. Okay, pero be ready. Nasa resistance line tayo, guys. We are at the resistance line. Hirap pa ako mag-trade pag naka-duty. Ay, wag na po mag-duty pag gano'n. Ganun po yun, sir. Okay, nakalose ko na lahat ng runner ko, guys. So, we officially hit 95 pips from the zone sa ating second trade. Then, guys, for this session, so naka $313 ako, guys. $313. Eh, magkano yun? 18,300. 18,000 sa ating live trading. Solid ba? Oh, yan guys, paldo natin. Guys, send your paldo in this session. $37, $56. Okay, yan. Thank you, Lord. $11, $15, $57, $50, 34 CAD, $43, $18, $17. So guys, si Ma'am Jack naka $46 pa.